If f of x is equal to 3x plus 2 has a domain of -2 to 3, x greater than -2 but less than or -3, it means from -2 to 3, find the range of f of x. So in this video we're going to look at the idea of domain and range. If we draw a graph of the function, it will look like this. This is y is equal to 3x plus 2. It starts at 2, and then for every one along, which is 2 squares here, we will go 3 squares up if you take account of the axes. Now, we are what do we actually mean by the domain? Well, we can see the function starts at x is equal to -2 and finishes at x is equal to 3. So if we draw this line in, and what we've got here is circles which are closed, so a bit like inequalities, this here is called the domain of the function. The domain of the function is a set of values that can be inputted into the function. So the domain in this case has what is known as a restricted domain, which is between -2 and 3. It means it starts at -2, ends at 3. We know in reality for this particular function it is actually valid for all values of x, but in this case it has been restricted. Right, here we have the set of values that will be outputted for this given domain, and this is called the range. So the range is a set of values that are outputted from the function for this particular given domain. So the range in this case goes from -4 to 11, but we express it in terms of f of x or y. So f of x is greater or equal to -4 or less than or equal to 11. If we're not going to include the equal sign, then the circles at the end here have to be open, like inequalities. So this has been a video to explain what we mean by the domain and the range of a function. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.